In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests viewers. We'll walk through opening the right board, using the share or invite controls, entering the person's email, and choosing the correct role between guest and viewer so your information stays secure and organized. First, open your board. Start by navigating to the specific board where you want to bring someone in. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct workspace and looking at the exact board title you intend to share. This quick check prevents giving access to the wrong place, especially if you manage multiple projects with similar names. Next, click Share or Invite. You'll usually find this button in the top right corner of your board. It might appear as a word like Share, Invite, or as an icon shaped like a person with a plus sign. If you don't see it, you may not have permission to manage access on this board, and you'll need an admin or owner to do it for you. Now enter the email address of the person you want to add. Type it carefully to avoid typos, because the invitation will be sent to exactly what you enter. For security, only add addresses you trust, and keep in mind that invitations typically grant access as soon as they're accepted. Many platforms send the invite automatically once you confirm, so the person you added will receive a message with a link to join your board. Before you finish, make sure to choose the correct role. Guest provides limited access and can only see the specific boards you share with them. This is ideal for external partners, clients, or anyone who needs to view a subset of your work without seeing anything else in your workspace. Viewer gives read-only access to the board. Viewers can open the board and review its contents but cannot edit, move, or delete items. Choose Viewer when someone simply needs visibility into progress or status without the ability to make changes. A few quick tips as you set roles. Match the role to the minimum access required, review what is on the board for sensitive details before sharing, and communicate to the person what they can expect, such as read-only permissions for viewers. If they say they didn't get the invite, have them check their spam or junk folder. That's it. Open the board, click Share or Invite, enter the email, and select Guest or Viewer to control access with confidence.